All right, we're gonna go for a little ride around the block here in a nicely restored 1966 Mustang Coupe. This is a basically a two-family owned car. Last family got it when it had 6,000 miles on it. It was probably only a year or two old. This guy drove it, gave it to his daughter. She drove it all through high school, and it sat. So then this really nice lady that owned the car, her husband restored it for her about 5 years ago, and it just came out beautiful. It's a matching number 289 two-barrel. They added dual exhaust. It's got the C4 automatic 3-speed transmission. They added vintage air conditioning, so it's got AC. It's got power disc brakes up front, power steering. Got a original 8-track stereo in there, pretty cool. But everything was done, you know, new door panels, new carpeting, new seat upholstery, beautiful paint. It's got ceramic coating on it. I mean, water beads right off of it. It also has the style steel wheels, the 14-inch original chrome style steel wheels. But such a nice car to drive. And you know, the guy restored it for his wife, so wanted to make sure she was comfortable, and the car stopped and steered and did everything it was supposed to. So it just runs real well. Sounds good. And white's really easy to keep clean. So it always looks nice. It's got the raised white letter tires. Beautiful car. All the glass is good. All the weather stripping was replaced. It's nice and solid underneath. You know, they didn't restore the bottom, but you know, it had new suspension and all that sort of stuff done. But so the bottom is original. No patch panels. Nothing funny going on under there. Still got the original black plates and the plate frames from the dealership that it was sold at in San Bernardino. All right, we'll go up here and take some more pictures and video for you. Check out this beautiful 1966 Ford Mustang hardtop coupe. Two-owner car, excellent condition. Was restored 5 years ago. It was already a rust-free, solid California car since new. So they went ahead and restored it. Basically frame up. So they didn't do the undercarriage, but it didn't need anything. It was all original metal. The paint is beautiful. It's got ceramic coating on it. Water beads right off of it. It's got the style steel wheels, 14-inch, the old Dunlop GT qualifiers on there. But all the trim, all the chrome, all the weather stripping, all replaced. All the glass is great. That's probably new too. Look at the dash in this car. Original steering wheel. It's got an 8-track radio in there. Really cool. 289, which was basically the C code two-barrel, but they did add dual exhaust. You could also add a 4-barrel if you want to get a little bit more juice and some headers, but you know what? It's kind of original, nice cruiser. Got those original plates. That's the Ford dealership in San Bernardino. They're closed. I think they closed in '99 or something, but that was the original Ford dealership that sold this car. I'll show you the interior. Actually, go around the other side. The sun is shining. It's got dual mirrors too. That's always nice. You can see out both sides. A lot of cars didn't have a passenger side mirror, but really, really clean. All new door panels, new seats, new carpet, new headliner. Don't usually get them this clean. Very affordable. It was over probably $40,000 to restore this car, and we're only asking $27,900. Original Ford AM 8-track radio. I didn't try that yet, but there was an 8-track in it when I got it, so it probably works. All the gauges work. Original steering wheel. There's the Cruise-O-Matic floor shifter there. Incredible condition, ready to drive. Nice classic Mustang. Here's the power plant in our 66 Mustang Coupe. Again, a 289 two-barrel, all pretty stock under here. Been rebuilt years ago. Runs really strong. It's kind of a stalker. It's got upgraded air conditioning. It's always nice. Custom auto air. R134 Freon. Of course, the power disc brakes up front. Power steering. Drives like a normal car. We'll go ahead and fire it up for you. There's the door tag too. Took a picture of that earlier. So it's the correct color. It's got a 280 ratio. One leg differential, which means you can get on the freeway. Quiet, smooth running, 289. You can even see the air injection tubes there that used to be on there for smog, which you don't need anymore in the state of California. 75 and older is exempt. Runs good, sounds good, drives good. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out and visit us in Simi Valley. We're at 2158 Union Place, Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich, and I'd be happy to show you the car in person if you're interested, or if you need some more pictures, or you want us to ship it, finance it, you name it. Give us a ring. Thanks for watching.